Hey kids, welcome to our adventure through time. Today we're going to travel from the time of dinosaurs all the way to outer space. Ready? Let's go. Our first stop is the age of dinosaurs. Look, there's a mighty T-Rex. Did you know the T-Rex was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs? And over there, that's a Triceratops with its 3 sharp horns. Time for a dino dance. Dance along with us.
T-Rex. Pterosaurs. Triceratops. Stegosaurus.
Can you guess which dinosaur we'll see next? Here's a clue. It has a long neck and loves to munch on leaves.
It's a Brachiosaurus.
Great job. It's a Brachiosaurus. Let's move on to our next adventure. Next stop, ancient Egypt. Look at those huge pyramids. Pharaohs were the kings of ancient Egypt. They built these amazing pyramids as their tombs, and those pictures on the walls are called hieroglyphics. Let's sing an Egyptian song. Great job, everyone. On to the next adventure. Here we are in medieval times. Check out that grand castle. Knights were brave warriors who wore armor and protected their kingdoms. And over there, that's a dragon. Ready for a medieval song? Let's dance with knights and dragons. Fantastic. Let's continue our journey. Welcome to the modern city. Look at those tall skyscrapers. In modern cities, we have cars, buses, and even electric scooters. Look at all the cool gadgets we use every day. Time for a dance with modern inventions. Well done. Now, let's blast off to our final destination. Here we are in outer space. Look at those shining stars and planets. Did you know there are 8 planets in our solar system? Let's visit them. Can you name all the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune?
Sun. Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune.
Now let's dance with our planets. Amazing. Time to head back home. What an incredible journey. We traveled from dinosaurs to outer space and learned so much. Thank you for joining our adventure.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time!